We're at the end of the market street, guys. Ayun na yung view. Buti guys, lumabas yung araw. It's a chill home day today, guys. Hey guys, JE here and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, we're just going out and we're going to visit yung mga nearby places here sa hotel natin. Specifically, we're going to go to Mangwon Market and also Hongdae Street. So tara, let's go! And guys, for today's video, mamamalengke tayo dito sa Mangwon Market. This one is near dun sa exit ng World Cup Stadium. So we're at the end of the market street, guys. Ayun na yung dulo. Pero parang dalawa siyang blocks coming from where we started kanina. By the way guys, yung station where we exited is called Mangwon Station. So either yung exit 1 or 2. Pero doon kami actually lumabas sa exit number 1 and then we cross the street going here. So may mga nakita naman tayong interesting food here. Pero mostly doon sa unahan. Kasi yung dito para siyang palengke of fresh finds like mga isda at gulay. Pero meron din namang mga ready to eat food on the other side. Ayun, meron na dito mga tempura. And yung nadaanan natin doon kanina are mostly pastries like pilipit, twisted donuts, and yung mga karage with sauces. And next ay yung una nating pinasukan. Nasabi kong mga pastries here. Back here guys, may mga madaming selections of ready to eat food here. Try this classic donut. So may choices of having it dipped to just plain sugar o kaya yung sugar na may cinnamon. Tapos yung iba parang may mga spices. And guys, now we'll try this chicken bites. This is 4,000 won per cup. We're back to the outside world, guys. Ang anghang ng tokbokki. Pero yung chicken, in fairness, masarap yung sauce. It's the typical, yung mga bite size na mga fried chicken. Kaya lang iba-iba yung sauces nila. Paglabas guys ng Mangwon Market, dito sa adjacent street lang, madami pa ring mga tinda and mga cafes like that and other boutiques. We found this dito sa store na to. Let's try this one. Back here guys sa train station. Ito yung Mangwon Station ang exit 2. Doon kami kanina lumabas sa exit 1. And just like that guys, we're here in Hongdae University Station. We actually took yung bus, hindi kami nag-tren. And we're now here. And we're back here guys in the very familiar street, yung shopping street ng Hongdae. Buti guys, lumabas yung araw kanina. Kaya hindi, well, malamig pa rin naman. Pero at least nagkaroon ng sun compared kanina na it was raining. So now medyo sunny na siya. But temperature remains the same. It's still 5 to 6 degrees Celsius today. And do you hear that? May nagpe-perform doon. May the one and only performer doon, guys. It's a chill Hong day today, guys. Wala masyadong tao because it's still too early. Baka maya-maya kapag madilim na, mas dadami ang kabataan here. Sa dulo, guys, ayan yung Holiday Inn. Yeah, that is where we stayed the last time we were here in Hongdae. Guys, we're back here at Hongdae Heiho Village. Favorite restaurant namin whenever we're here in the area. Kaya binabalik-balikan namin here kasi masarap yung food, tapos they're generally mura yung mga pagkain nila. Plus, halos friend na namin yung isa sa mga may-ari siguro siya nung restaurant here. Kaya may dala kami sa kanyang something. May sinulat kami dati dito eh. Diyan. Parang hirap nang hanapin. Ang dami na masyadong nakasulat.
No? Something? You want?
Ito yung mga favorite namin dito, guys. Ito ay vegetarian dumpling. Ito vegetarian din to. And also that one. And ito yung mga masasarap nilang sides here. Yung usual. Yan, kimchi. Labanos. Tapos, binigyan din kami ni Kuya ng handmade na kimchi. This one. And on the house na bottled drink. Ganito din binigay niya sa amin dati. Nung last visit namin here. Bago yun. We're done sa early dinner natin, guys, and so lamig here outside. Pasok na tayo ngayon dito sa Olive Young. We're here. We're just checking some essentials. Wala kami dalang deodorant and lotion. Magbabas tayo ulit, guys, going back to our hotel, and we are waiting for bus 604. Dito yung mga bus numbers.
SDJ 고등학교입니다. 다음 정류소는 공덕역 1번 출구입니다. This stop is
Cracky.